everyone, how you doing? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time to the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Make sure you hit on that subscription button, and also while you're at it, make sure to hit on the notification bell. All of our returning subscribers, thank you so very much for being here. You know you're always appreciated. All right, now my cousin had actually invited me to a barbecue which is keeping this evening, and also just to let you know, it is the end of the 3 months lockdown here in the state. So you know your girl is very excited about this. So I just decided, why not let you get ready with me? Alright, so because you know summer is coming up, so the weather have changed somewhat. So I'm going to be wearing an all-in-one with the altar back, because you know your girl have not been out for a while. So right about now, I'm just going to go all in with all of this. Now remember, I'm not a makeup artist, but I do love makeup, and as you can see here, I am making sure that I do my best. So those makeup artists out there, please do not come at me. The end results are always great. The makeup which I will be using today, it's all the makeup which I had purchased from the drugstore. So all these makeup that you're seeing here now, excepting the foundation, is what I had purchased from the drugstore. I'm going to be linking that video up top, so you're able to check that out to see all that I had purchased. To be honest with you, I really do not know what I'm basically going for. I'm just going in with the different shades and just working them just as always. Because you know your girl with the makeup, I do not know where it's going. I don't know what it's going to turn out to be. But because I'm creative, I'm just going to go ahead and just try to use a little bit of this and a little bit of that to make sure that it turns out right. The brushes which I'm using now, they are the ones which I had purchased from the drugstore, and they are very soft and nice. I really do enjoy using them. Also, I should let you know, I am not a big fan of beauty blenders, but since I actually got this beauty blender, I have started to love it so very much. I must say, I'm really enjoying it. Why didn't someone tell me about this from a long time ago with these beauty blenders? The contour brush as well, it is very nice and soft. I have no issues using the contour brush. These eyelashes, guys, I can't wait for you all to get your hands on them. They are something else. I have them now in different styles, and I know once you do get a hold of them, you are going to be loving them also. But of course, you know, your girl have got to try them out first, because I want to make sure that you are all getting quality. And you know, for someone who is not a makeup artist, I think I did a very good job. Let's jump in our clothes and head on out. Alright guys, so this is me. Alright, so it's a bit chilly outside, so I had to change. Yeah, I had to change and put on my little top here. Alright, so I'll see what can happen while I'm outside. All right, people, so we're out. My cousin, we're going out very first night after the lockdown, so we're going to be unruly, hopefully. Coronavirus. All right, peace. So we got escabeche fish, we got bami, we got festival, all of that was there, and I think there was soup. We didn't get any soup though, but of course we got the very good escabeche fish, the bami, and the festival. They were very good. But of course, you know, while we're there enjoying ourselves, we cannot record with the music so you could hear what's going on, but we were just there sitting cute and enjoying the evening. Yes, and that's basically it. We did enjoy our evening, so I'm just gonna turn this right back over now. Hi everyone. Boy, I'm shine. Well, just getting back home. It's now 3:30 in the morning. Did not get a chance to record while I was there, because there was too much music playing, but you saw the little clipette there with us when we got our food, the fish and festival and the bami. But yeah, that was that. It was very good. The energy was right, you know, and we enjoyed ourselves for the first time going out after the coronavirus lockdown. It was a barbecue, as I said, you know, so it wasn't much loose going on, but it was great. Totally enjoyed myself. Oh guys, I should let you know, just a reminder, the lashes. These are mine and they're coming soon. Just let me know if you like them. I'm trying my best with the lashes, guys. As you would realize, I start wearing a lot of lashes now. Different styles, because I'm checking them out, making sure that they're good for me, and they're very lightweight. I'm not feeling it, right? Yeah, so that was basically it, guys, that I needed to let you know. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Right now I'm going to get some rest. Bye guys, take care. Oh, my shirt, I wore this shirt, Step Out in Faith. Alright, take care. What would? Bye.